Good afternoon, everyone. I'll explain how global governance has helped solve one major global problem, which is climate change in the 21st century. First of all, global governance is the process through which countries and international organizations come together to solve problems that affect the world, that affect the whole world. Since there is no single world government, countries cooperate through agreements and institutions and international rules. So one of the biggest challenge today is climate change. Climate change refers to the long-term changes in temperatures and weather patterns. So mainly caused by human activities such as cutting down forests, industrial productions. So climate change has serious effects. It causes extreme weather events, droughts, floods, rising sea levels, food shortage, and health problems. So these impacts affect people in both developed and non-developed and developing countries. So climate change cannot be solved by one country alone. So greenhouse gases released in one part of the atmosphere affects the world globally. So this means that international cooperation is essential. So global governance help address climate changes through organizations such as the United Nations, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, and many others. These provide leaderships, scientific research, and platforms for international cooperation. So one of the important achievements is the Paris Agreement of 2015. Through these agreements, countries committed themselves to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and limiting global warming. These agreements also encourage financial and technological support for developing countries. So global governance has achieved several successes. For example, it has increased awareness of climate change, encouraging investments in renewable energy and strengthening cooperations among nations. However, challenges also exist because some countries struggle to meet their commitments and funding remains insufficient in some regions. So, in conclusion, global governance is a crucial role in addressing climate change by promoting cooperation, creating international agreements, and encouraging collective actions. So climate change is a global challenge that requires global solutions, and through international cooperations and more sustainable futures can be achieved. Thank you for listening.